Hello everyone, my name is Muhammed Samet Özera and I am currently studying molecular biology and genetics in Bilkent University. In this video I'm going to talk about my Physics 101 project, which is the calculation of gravitational acceleration g using a simple pendulum mechanism, and I'm going to derive g using the periods formula for oscillating objects like springs or simple pendulum mechanisms. In this experiment, I'll use three different simple pendulum mechanisms with differing string lengths L of 25 centimeters, 50 centimeters, and 100 centimeters, yes. And the objective of this experiment is to study motion of the pendulum and to determine the gravitational acceleration g using a simple pendulum, and the comparison of error rates of those different pendulums with different string lengths. Error rates for each pendulum systems will be calculated using the error rate formula, and my hypothesis is that the larger L values would create smaller error rates and vice versa. We'll see whether my hypothesis is true or not. Here you see me using the simple pendulum and recording the period data for further calculations of gravitational acceleration g. And according to those calculations, I'll use error rates formula as I mentioned before, and I'll get three different error rates of different simple pendulums. In this slide, you'll see my period data that I collected in my experiments, and you'll see my gravitational acceleration formula that I derived from a period formula, and I'll plug the numbers in, and I'll get some g values for each pendulum. After that, I'll use error percentage formula, and I'll plug my data into error percentage formula, and I'll get some error percentages for my pendulums. As you can see, pendulum 1 with L of 25 centimeters had a percentage error of 25%. Pendulum 2 with 50 centimeters had a percentage error of 5%, and pendulum 3 with 100 centimeters had a percentage error of just 3%. This is a clear proof of my hypothesis of larger L values creating smaller error percentages is correct, and this error percentage difference is due to my measurement errors in the experiment. Other than that, you can see that none of my gravitational accelerations are matching with the actual g of 9.8 for Ankara, and this is due to the measurement errors and rotational kinetic energy of the mass I have, and air friction, and many other factors like those.